Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. My name is Olorun. I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can earn money, cool money, without trading on Binance. Okay guys, in this tutorial, you are going to learn how to earn cool money without stressing yourself. Even when you are sleeping, your money will continue without even stressing yourself about the market trend. Okay guys, so let's dive into the tutorial now. Okay guys, after this one, you go to your Binance. So this is my Binance open page now. If you are new, if you don't have Binance, I'm going to drop the description below this video so that you can register with your Binance. Okay guys, so the next thing to do now, after this one, now you have to move down to more. Okay guys, so if you are using phone like me, you move down to more. For instance, here you come down to more here. Okay guys, so you press on more. So when you press on more, you have to locate, you scroll it up like this, and then you come down to this area where it says N. Do you see that? So after that, you click on it like this. By the time you click on it like this, and then you can see the various options here. So you have to click on simple N. Do you see that? So you click on simple N. As you can see simple N here, so all these various crypto will show up, and then I'm going to explain it for you now. As you can see this place, this one is flexible. Okay, and then we have fees. The fees is this one, this number. All this one are what we call fees. Okay guys, so what we mean by flexible is that by the time you invest your money on flexible, you will be getting amounts of money every day. Okay guys, and then this money you can withdraw it any day, anytime. That is what we mean by flexible. But if you go for 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, that one is what we call fees. Okay, that particular time must exhausted before you get your money back. I mean the interest and your money back. Okay guys, so but flexible, you can get, if you need your money, you can withdraw it any day, anytime, both interest and then the capital. Okay guys, so but before you start this earning, you must have deposit. You must have deposited on your Binance. Okay guys, so you must have crypto rather. So when you deposit in your Binance, you use it to buy crypto so that you can use it to invest if you don't know how to trade or spot. Even though I'm going to practicalize it for you for better understanding here. As for me now, I want to invest in flexible. Okay guys, so what I needed to do now is I want to invest on what? Flexible, that is USDT. I have USDT here, so let me search for USDT. So when you get to this place, what exactly to do is to come down to this place and then you click subscribe. Okay guys, so when you subscribe now, as you can see it here now, you will see that minimal deposit you can invest here is 0.1 USDT. Okay guys, as you can see, the balance of my USDT that I have is this. Okay guys, so I'm going to click mass so that everything, I want to invest everything. So just look at this. Immediately I click mass, the real time, my bonus that I will be receiving is what? 0.0016429 USDT. So that is my bonus, that is the money that I will be receiving. Okay guys, so I'm going to click I have read and agree to the Binance simple and service agreement. Okay, I'll click confirm. Succeeded, subscription successful. Okay guys, so immediately the subscription successful. So this one now, you now go back to your wallet. So every time when you now go back to your wallet, the next thing to do is to just come down. As you can see, so I have used my USDT as a flexible. So look at it here, let me show you very well. Do you see that now? So it will be generating money for me. Whether the trend of the market is going up, is going down, nothing concern. Whether I'm sleeping, I don't even go to my binance, my money will be comes in. Okay guys, so that is for that, for this one. And then aside from this one now, how can you check your interest every time, every day? So let me show you that one. So let's go back home again. Let me go back home. So this is home now. How you can get to check? Okay, so the next thing to do is just scroll it up again. By the time you scroll it up, you come down to this earning. Okay, so this is where you will now be checking your interest and wallet. Do you see that? So that is earn wallet. So you'll be, when you click this place, you will be seeing your interest every day. Okay guys, so guys, as you can see here, you don't dull yourself, just invest. Make sure you deposit. I have done one video that you can deposit directly from your account, so you can check the video and then start any money. Use crypto, earn money, so that you will not regret it later. So guys, if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you stay tuned for my next video. Peace.